Assalamu alaikum everyone. So BONK today is kind of sideways consolidating for some few, couple of hours now. And the question is BONK done just yet? Previously I gave you a technical target up to 2698, nearly 2700. And that is exactly where the technical target for this, descending triangle was. So I'm going to simplify things for you. There is your descending triangle, right? And you broke to the upside, you went back to where the target really is meant to be. Now the question is that now that you have your descending triangle technical target, which is met, what's next, right? What's next is, I think it's time to consider some few little bit of resistance that was here, and we are breaking above that resistance as well. So if I'm going to turn off the log scale at the moment, and I'm going to go through this with you. So if you notice one thing, there is some sort of a rounded structure here. This is almost like a saucer bottom right there. This is not a saucer bottom because they're like saucepan. Okay, so have you ever seen a saucepan? It's actually pretty flat, but then on the outer edge of it, it's actually a little bit curvy like that. Okay, so yeah, I know crypto has some weird name, but that's what it's called at the moment. If you want to learn more, I do have a whole course. If you want to buy, do let me know. And the thing is, you got rejected here. The beauty about it is that this is a valid trend line that I just draw. And if we zoom in back in time, you can notice that you got rejected here and you went down. You got rejected again, you went down. You got rejected here and you went down. Now finally what happened is you have broke above it, and if you zoom in there, even more better is that you have made some confirmation candle which are bullish, what do you call this, bullish engulfing candles, right? So this red and this green combined are bullish engulfing right on the support, which means that it's actually pretty good to go to the upside, which leave me to say, if we end up still coming below it and probably go down to 1740, that's going to be bad. Okay, unless you don't do all manipulation one more time and then go back up. So coming to 1740, I think that's going to be bad. Secondly is that now that you've broken, I think you are pretty good to go on a perfect world one more time. Just like you broke descending triangle, you're breaking this saucer bottom, then here's a target next, all the way back to the all-time high, 3443, one more time again. So that's going to be pretty much a move of nearly 51% again. So that's all for the video. I'm going to see you in the next one. Love is.